Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be going on a field trip to get things together for a sensory wall, and we are going to be building it together and getting it ready for our sensory room. Come join us. We're back home. Woo! Go through what we have right now, and then we're going to go for a little while, put it together, and then show you the final product, because you don't want to just sit here and watch me glue little pieces on here, but we'll show you what we got. Okay, so look, Jack, remember, these are a lot of things that you wouldn't think would be good textures, but we went through and we felt like a lot of stuff, right? So this is a silicone brush cleaner, and it has stickies in the back that we're going to cut off and glue it, but here, put it close to the camera so they can see. And we can put it together to make a whole watermelon, but show them what it looks like. Go up closer, a little bit closer. It's really bumpy, and it's silicone. Here, let me show them. Look at that. No. Oh, you're going to do it. Ah! Look at that! Oh, that's good job. All right, back up. Don't knock over the camera. Ah! Okay. Then the next thing is we got a couple of these. Not that one. That's a bad toy. Here, put that down. We got these. These are what? Glitter.
Oh wow.
Glitter tags. We have some other ones that we already cut up. We're gonna put those on there. So that's 2 textures. Put them over there. Then what do we get? We actually got little Legos.
And we put some of them on.
Yeah, we started putting them on there.
I want to show you. They're really bumpy, see?
Yeah, bumpy. They're plastic looking. All right, what's another one that we got? So that's 3. I think here. Oh, there we are. I was gonna say, move your bottom.
Meow, 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 meow.
All right. We also got, what's this? Foam. Well, we can't really see the texture, but we know what foam sheets feels like. There's another. Ooh, I was actually looking for another one of this, but I couldn't. This is actually a mug sleeve, and it's what? One of those really cool sequin changing things. Look at that. That's neat. We're gonna put that on there. All right, what else we got? What are these? Pom-poms! Poofy poofy. And we got some more in there in that container, and we're gonna make a bunch of fluffy stuff in there.
And bunch of pom-poms.
Ah! Okay.
Uh-oh.
All right, so then we had fun in the kitchen aisle, didn't we? We have 2 different textures here. I'm gonna cut them in half. We got the Brillo-ish part, the scrubby part, and the really, really soft part. So we got 2 packs of these. So there's 2 textures right there. We did get a couple things for sensory bins too. Ooh, we found these. These are like, what do they say? Bows? They're little tinsel pom-pom bows. So we got a bunch of those to put together. Okay. And a bunch of different colors.
Another of my toys.
Another one of your toys. Here, put it down. We'll go through those in a minute. This is nautical decorative rope. So it's just regular rope, but smaller. That's gonna be it. Feel that. That feels really cool. I got 2 of those. Also, let me put this over here. This is pebbles. So I figured I'll put a bunch of regular glue down, like liquid glue, and put this all over. So they're just like little pebbles. And whatever's left over, we could use for sensory bins. Okay? So that's going to have more than one.
This is a car clock.
I think that's, you read that.
This is a micro pad white beauty.
Microfiber mop pad. So that's a different texture there. Look at the amount of rocks here. There's little river rocks that were in the floral section.
What is the rock's favorite music?
What?
Rock music. I really like from you.
Oh, you got a couple more puff balls here. More sponges. Those feel really cool.
And another like toys.
One of them got stuck in there. I thought we got 5, but apparently we got 6. Here's another scrubbing pad. They're really coarse, but they're also
And here's
squishy.
some more skippers that are lined and...
Oh yeah, those are, they have a really good, Dollar Tree has a really good cross section in general, but this is gemstone stickers, so it's a line of stickers, and when you take them out, they're really bumpy and they're sticky, so that works.
Let's
We got
do
3 of
this
these.
texture.
Whoa, those are like maracas. Here, let me get mine.
Woo, we're in Morocco.
What are these? Oh yeah, these are the glass gems for floral. That'll be fun to put on. They got the flat bottom. More Legos. And then we got the, what does it look like?
Stop getting us text.
Oh, we keep getting alerts on my phone. That's funny. So this looks like a sea anemone. We can make it look like a sea anemone.
With a little Nemo in there.
What else do we got? I think that's, we have a really thick piece of cardboard, and that's what we're gonna glue it on. It is from a larger package that we had like an appliance put in there, and you can use any kind of cardboard, but I figured, hey, it's gonna go in the recycling. Why not recycle something that we use? Reuse, right? What is that? Reduce, reuse, recycle? Okay, so that's what we're gonna use. And then to make sure they have similar sizes and there's not one smaller, I have a template that I'm gonna draw on it so each section is a certain size. How's that sound? Does that sound like a plan?
Yep.
Can we do that? Is that
Yeah.
Is that a plan, Sam?
Yeah, Daddy, I want to go to the Taj Mahal.
What? Oh yeah, no problem. That's a plan, Stan. All right, we'll see you in a few. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me feel the first texture.
Oh.
Sponges.
Yeah.
Squishy, squishy, squish.
Good job. Oh, those are my favorite.
I'm going to ask you what these look like. These remind me of fireworks.
Yeah, they do remind me of fireworks.
And these frogs.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to hot glue that one on. I made sure all of them are stuck on there, but that
And
one I
these
must have
bubbles.
missed. Make sure everything's on there and doesn't fall.
I like these things. Look.
Yeah, the sequins, those are cool.
Yeah, they like change color. Our sensory.
Where are we gonna put it?
Our sensory corner.
In our sensory room. So, can I get a hip hip hooray?
Hip hip hooray.
Oh, be excited. Turn around.
Hip hip hooray.
Yeah. If you found this video helpful, please like our video. We'd love for you to be a part of our family, so subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of new videos.